Alright, our journey begins with the washroom. This got flooded, is damaged. And we are going to take it out and replace it with new, with 2x all the way around. And the journey first will be to, of course we had to clean out the washer and dryer, the hoses, everything. I've already pulled the Cheapy trim out. I've already cut with a razor knife all the way around the edges to cut the linoleum. I also took the screws out of the vent. I'm just going to set the vent right there. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is pull the door off. And I do that by taking the hinges out. And I got the wrong kind of screws. It should be beveled and sitting flat like that, but these are rounded on top, so that makes it extend out further, and it's been hitting, won't close, but that's because I got the wrong screw. That way I can just put it right back in the same holes. Now, drama. I'll just cut right down through the middle so I can pull it out in pieces. And we'll get to see the home without its dress makeup. All the way through the linoleum with this knife. Now, we have a leak in the wall. Can you tell that it's been leaking recently? See how that's wet? Right there. It's not wet going down the wall, but it's wet right there. So we got to take that cover off and find that leak in there. So we'll bring you back with us here in a minute.